Did you know that a refreshing drink can boost your mood and keep you hydrated? Try this simple sparkling berry mocktail that's perfect for any occasion. Just grab a handful of mixed berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries work wonderfully together. In a glass, muddle the berries gently to release their juices, creating a beautiful base for your drink. Next, add a splash of fresh lemon or lime juice for a zesty kick that enhances the berry flavors. Now, fill your glass with sparkling water or club soda to give it that fizzy flair, making it a delightful treat. Stir gently to combine, and voila! You have a vibrant, refreshing drink that not only looks stunning, but also tastes amazing. Imagine sipping on this colorful mocktail while enjoying a sunny afternoon with friends or family, the bubbles dancing in your glass. Each sip is bursting with vitamins and antioxidants, promoting hydration and overall wellness. It's the perfect guilt-free treat for celebrations, or just to elevate your everyday routine. Would you try this? Remember, you can also customize it with your favorite fruits or herbs like mint for an extra twist. What's your favorite healthy food hack to share with us?